Good morning, students. Continuing to the last class, now I am going to discuss with you the skeletal system. The skeletal system. Systems which deals with the skeleton. The skeleton is forming how? First skeleton is forming. So skeleton, then come to bones. Regarding bones we have to discuss. Then functions. Then total numbers of bone. Then those joints, then movements. So this is the first skeleton. So skeleton is forming two or more numbers of bone meeting together forming the skeleton. You from head to leg, all bones are joined with each other forming skeleton. So the skeleton is working the framework of the body. It is working the framework of the body. It is supporting different internal organs for certain attack from outside. So this is all about the skeleton. So in your body, 206 numbers of bones are there. So each bones are joining with each other forming skeleton. So bones are there. 5 number of bones, different types of bones are there. First is long bones, long, short, flat bone, irregular bone, and sesamoid bone. So first one is long bone. Long bones in your arms. Arms, you know, your both leg and hand, arms. These long bones are seen. Then short bones. Short bones are seen in your wrists. So this is your wrist. This is your wrist. Wrist bones are short bone. And third bone is your clavicle, bone of the clavicle, and patella, and bones of your brain. Bones of the brain. Irregular bones, the same as wrist bones. Irregular, having more regular surface. Example is wrist bones are also, or carpal, metacarpal. Carpal bones are, carpal bones are, this is carpal bone. These are irregular bones. Sesamoid bones are seen in tendons of the body. Tendons. So this is 5 types of bones: long bone, short bone, flat bone, irregular bone, and sesamoid bones. Then come to function of the bones. First function of the bones. First function is your movement. First is movement. Attachment of muscle with the skeleton helps in the movement of the body. And joint, and second function is lever action. Lever action also of the joints helps for the better movement than common movement. Third one is it deposits calcium. When and wherever the calcium requirement is there in the different part from the different part of the body, it supplies calcium. Next is your formation of marrow, which produces blood cells. So these are the main function in your body with the bones it is seen. Let's come to total number of bones. Regarding total number of bones and for the purpose of the bones, what are the different areas of your body? It is scattered from head to tail. That 206 numbers. So 206 numbers of bones are there in the body. So these bones are scattered throughout the body from head to tail. Where is placement? How this skeletal form? And these bones are how scattered for the purpose. Two divisions are there. First is axial skeleton. This is skeleton. Two divisions. First one is axial skeleton. And second one is appendicular skeleton. So this axial skeleton, these two branches among two are first axis. Axis is the, if you cut your arms, remaining part of the body is axis from head to your waist. So cut your arms and think that axis is where. So in axis, which bones are there coming under this axis? That is axial skeletal bones. So what are they? First is your skull. Axis divided into three parts. Bone of the skull bones. Then bones of the ribs. Then bone of the vertebral column. So axial skeleton having three divisions: skull, ribs, and vertebral column. So in skull bones, it is coming your bones of cranium and bones of face and bones of your ears. Bones of face and bones of ear. Then ribs. Ribs are having with, in case of skull bones, cranium numbers bones is your 8 numbers, and face numbers is your 14, and ear is 6 numbers. Ribs are, in case of ribs bones, 12 pairs of ribs, that is 24 numbers. Ribs. Then hyaloid bone 1, and your hyaloid 1 and your sternum 1. Hyaloid 1, sternum 1. It is total 26 numbers here in case of ribs. Then vertebral column. In vertebral column, first is, again it is having three divisions: cervical vertebra, thoracic vertebra, and lumbar vertebra. So cervical numbers is your 7, thoracic numbers is your 12, and lumbar numbers is your 5. And addition to this cervical vertebra and thoracic vertebra and lumbar vertebra, another 2 bones are there. They are your sacais and coccyx. Sacais 1 and coccyx 1. The total number here is your 26 numbers. So this is all about your bones of axial skeleton. You may confirm axial skeleton is your arms, means your upper hand and lower legs coming under arms. So this is the bones of the axial skeleton. So here you may say small bones are 14. Total number of small bones kitna? 14 means here 20 and 28 here, and here 26, and here vertebral column is 26 also. So next is your appendicular skeleton. Next we will see the appendicular division are 2 types. That is your appendicular skeleton 2 types. First is your shoulder girdle with upper limbs. Shoulder girdle, upper limbs, and pelvis girdle with lower limbs. So shoulder girdle with upper limbs carries your 64 bones. Your 64 bones, shoulder girdles with upper limbs, 64 numbers, and pelvic girdles with lower limbs is your 62 numbers. So let's discuss about the shoulder girdles, the bones of the shoulder girdles with upper limbs. Shoulder girdles with upper limbs is your first is your clavicle 2, next is your scapula 2, scapula. So this is clavicle, and this is your scapula. This one is scapula 2. Then humor 2, radius 2, humor 2, radius 2, ulna 2, then carpel 16, metacarpal 10, and phalanges 28. This is to 64 numbers. Then come to your pelvic girdle with lower limbs. This is pelvic girdle, this is shoulder girdle, and this is pelvic girdle with lower limbs, means 2 legs. So pelvic girdle with lower limbs, first is your two number of pelvis bones. This is pelvis bone, 2 numbers. Pelvis bone 2 numbers. Then femur 2, tibia 2, fibula 2, fibula 2, then patella 2. So patella bone, this is your patella, kneecap, patella 2, then dorsal tarsals 14 number, metatarsal 10, and phalanges, fingers, phalanges is your 28. This is total number 62 numbers. So if you total all this axial test called 28, so total numbers called 28. Then rib cage your 26, vertebral column 26 again. Next is your appendicular skeleton 64 and 62. This is all about the 206 numbers. If you totally you get 206 numbers. So this is all the total numbers of bones scattered throughout the body in the skeleton. Okay. Next we will proceed. This is all about the numbers of bones 2064. Next we will come to joints. Then your joints about. So joint. It is otherwise known as articulation. The anatomical name is articulation. So this joint, how joint is forming, first we discuss how joint is forming. Then types of joints. Function. Then third is your function. Then fourth one is your divisions of joints. And fifth one is movements, taking to the different joints. So how joint is forming? So joint is forming taking more than two number of bones meeting with each other in between your connective tissue is there. With the help of connective tissue and cartilages, soft bones that is called, and it is binding with each other with the bones, two bones, and forming joints. So this way joint is forming. Then types of joint, two types. One is fixed joints. Fixed joints, you may say, anatomical name is fibrous joint. Fixed or fibrous joints. So fibrous joints. So two bones are fibrous. These fixed joints are seen in your brain or cranium. This is cranium, brain. This is cranium. You may say, in Oriya, you may say khapuri, cranium. So cranium. So cranium joints are, in cranium, 8 numbers of bones are there. They are joined in such a way that nobody can see it can observe clearly and cannot say that this is joint, but it is joint. Only in between two joints, this is suppose one bone, two bones. They are meeting with each other, and in between this connective tissue there. In between two joints, only this connective tissue there, but it cannot be observed and outward if you observe outward side. So it is helping for sudden accident not to be done. Sudden accident. It is observe this shock. Observe this shock. Observe this shock for any accident. So this is all about fixed joint. Next you will come to your second one is your movable joints. Second one is your movable joint. So movable joints. Movable joints are throughout your body parts. Movable joints are seen. And basically its division. These divisions are there. So it is freely movable. It is freely movable, having with your types. Having 5 types are there. First one is your hinge joints. Hinge joints, pivot joints, then ball and socket joints, ball and socket, and third one is gliding joints, and fifth one is your saddle joint. So these 5 joints, helping your body for better movement. These fixed joints having no movement. These fixed joints having no movement. What it has the main function? That main function is movement. It helps only for better movement. Different angle. In which angle and wherever you want to move. In zigzag learning, different type of movements are there. Flexion, extension, circumduction, abduction, adduction, supine, pronation. So this type of movement, every time with your body, you can move yourself. So while a gymnastic player, or a football player, or a volleyball player, any activity he can perform with different angles very well. So by the help of the joint, it can be possible with lever. With the joint and lever action, it is already completing. So one by one, I want to discuss regarding hinge joint. Where it is seen? Hinge joints are, so hinge joint express the forward and backward movement. This is forward, axis is one point, and this is forward and backward. Example, suppose door joint is the one side of the door and axis is fixed. Suppose this is door and this is the movement. This end and this end. Up to this extent it will move. Not more than this level it will extend. So this is hinge joint. So example, see your arm. So this is knee movement. This is knee movement of the arm. This is example. Okay. Next is your pivot joints. Example of hinge joints are knee and elbow joint movements. Next is your pivot joints. So pivot joints, movement of the head side to side. Movement of the surface here, this type of joint seen in your neck rotation, side to side movement of the neck, and this is rotation movement. Rotation type of movement express that is pivot joint. So next is your ball and socket joint. So ball and socket joint is 360 degree angles. Movement of like 360 degree angles. Example seen in your rotation of arm. So this is 360 degree angles rotation, and movement of the hip. So movement of the hip is your 360 degree angles rotation. This is example of your ball and socket joints. Where ball is there, another is socket. So example of this is ball of the bone and this is socket of the bone. So this is ball and socket joint. Example of ball and socket joint. So here is the ball of the bone and this is socket of the bone. This is ball, example of ball and socket joint. So next is your gliding movement. Fourth one is your gliding movement. Joint between the carpel. Joint between the carpel with the metacarpal. Carpel you have seen that this is carpel. So this is carpel and metacarpal is there. So carpal number is 16. Metacarpal bones number is 10. Then dorsal. You have seen this is dorsal. This is dorsal. Dorsal bone here, ankle bone is dorsal bone, and this is metatarsal. So between these bone joints are called your, and movements are also called your gliding joints. Then come to saddle joints. So saddle joints, example the joints of wrist joint. Saddle joints see wrist joint. So this is the example of wrist joints, and this wrist joints means different type of movements takes place with saddle joint, like movements like flexion, extension, abduction and adduction. So movement like this takes place. And also circumduction. So this type of this is your wrist. So this is the 360 movement. 360 degree movement, circumduction, and this is your flexion, extension, adduction. So this movement is expressed by the help of saddle joint and seen in the wrist. In your wrist. So this is all about different types of different types of joints. Next, move to the movements. Movement by the help of joints. What are the different type of movement takes place with your body? So movements like that is flexion. Second one, flexion, extension. Third one is your abduction. Fourth one, adduction. Circumduction. Rotation. Seven one, supination. Pronation. Here it is pronation. So types of movement. This is types of movements by the help of these 5 numbers of joints. So types of movement takes place, this different 8 types of movement takes place by the help of these 5 different joints. So flexion, the angle between joint will decrease. Suppose that is flexion, this is the angle. I want to make an angle with this elbow. So this is decreasing the angle. This is decreasing the angle. That is called flexion. I want to increase the angle joint. This is extension. Yes. This is flexion. This is extension. Next is abduction. From the center of the point body, it will move towards the right. From the middle of the line, it will deviate your legs towards right. This is abduction. From right side, it will come to middle side. This is called adduction. Clear? Abduction and adduction. Next is your circumduction. Circumduction I already told you, that is 360-degree movement. Only see the R notation. R notation. This is 360-degree movement. Both arms also you can rotate. This is 360-degree movement. Okay, this is circumduction. Angle between the joint 360 degree it will fall. Next is rotation. Rotation you know, that is that type of joint is in case of pivot joint rotation is seen here. I have already given to you rotation. The rotation already given to you, side to side movement of the neck. So this is rotation. Axis is in between. A circle, in a circle, axis is the center point of the circle, and around the circle it will circulate, that is rotation. So this is the neck rotation, that is called rotation. Then comes supine. The supine means face up. It will slip in the ground up the face like this. Suppose your face is here, this is the ground. You see, this is palm means upward movement of the palm. This is supine position. Prone is downward of the palm. This is pronation. So these are the different types of movement expressed by the movable joints like hinge joint, pivot joints, ball and socket joints, gliding joints, and shutter joints. Okay, thanks to everybody. This is all about today's class. Next class we will proceed to your muscular system. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.